state. Fuck that lobster and that steak. I got more shit on my plate. Rolling in my Uber, that's just how I use my time. Blowing on that backwood, that's just how I use my mind. Looking out the window, hoping it all will be fine. Pay no mind, they don't pay no mind, yeah. Magic City.
What's good, fam? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. If you guys enjoy any Supreme streetwear sneaker related content, go ahead and subscribe down below and smash that thumbs up button while you're down there. Now that's totally optional, but it will definitely be well appreciated. As you guys probably know from yesterday, there is 2 giveaways currently running. One of them for the Supreme backpack and another one for a Supreme shooting sleeve. And this one is available for the UK, so if you're from that area, go ahead and enter the giveaway down below. I'm gonna leave it at the top of the description, but I don't want to waste any time. Let's get straight to this video. Now today I'm gonna be unboxing my Supreme week 7 items, which if I'm not mistaken was the North Face week. Now if that's the case, I got my parka and 2 accessories to show you guys. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna get into the parka first because I'm honestly curious to see what it looks like in person. We got this small ass Supreme bag, and then let me see if we got any stickers. Bruh, look at the stickers they gave me, bruh. They gave me 2 red box logos. Like, what are you doing? That's some bullshit. But here's the parka. Now, this is up for sale right now, but I don't know if I want to sell it for the 600 that is going on StockX. I think I might hold it for a little bit, then sell it, so I can make more bread off it. Because if I do sell it now, I'm gonna make like $200, maybe $300, and I can make way more in the future. So this is like the first item I don't take out the package, because I don't want to take that away from the buyer, so I'm gonna just leave it for them. But here's the actual parka in itself. I got it in the XL. I really wish I would have got a small or a medium. This shit feels like straight up plastic. I'm not even gonna hold you. Straight up aluminum foil. You can't even really see that well. But here's the parka. I personally don't really like it. I feel like they could have done way better. Honestly, if the silver would have been a matte silver, this shit would have been hard. But this whole metallic shit is out the window. I really hope they do another parka this season, because that one's gonna be a way better cop than this one. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. This one's alright. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't wear this personally, but someone has different style than I do, and that's just what it is. So the first item was the parka. So here we got the second package. This is a small ass box, bro. They cram that shit in there. Bang. So here we got the second Supreme bag, and in here we got one of these stickers. We got another box logo, and we got the TV sticker as well. This one's pretty hard. I actually really like this sticker and the T. I just wish I would have got the color I wanted, but here we got the motherfucking glow stick. This is literally a red glow stick that has batteries in it, so you could like turn it on, turn it off. Look at this shit. You can't even barely notice it because it's light on right now, but I tried to make it focus, but the shit doesn't work, so it's just a little red glow stick. Look at this shit. It makes my face red. It's legit an electronic glow stick. These shits are like $2, but you know that Supreme stamp on the top makes this shit worth fucking like $20. Now next up, I got the stamp. This is a pretty dope piece. I honestly wanted this from the lookbook because this season I've been going for accessories more than anything. I just want to build up an accessory collection, and I just wanted this piece from the first time I saw it. So this is a really dope piece to have in my opinion, and I am gonna open this real quick. It's legit a stamp, like there's nothing to it. It says don't ask me for shit right there, which is basically the image of the stamp that is gonna come out. This is really dope. It has a Supreme thing on the front. I wish it would have had it on the back too, but it doesn't, and it honestly wasn't that expensive. That's something that I like about accessories from Supreme, is that they can't put the prices in West Bubblefuck, because at the end of the day, this is a regular stamp that they put their stamp on. You feel me? Now I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. I'm about to just, oh, what the fuck? Oh, this shit don't even work. How the fuck is this shit supposed to work? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's talky, bro. This shit is food. Yo, this shit is food, bro. Look at this shit. Yo, the stamp is foo-foo, bro. Don't try to use this shit. Look at this shit. The motherfucker gets stuck right there. The shit don't even come on right. They straight up bogging with this. Either I got a defective stamp or this shit is fugazi. So as you guys just saw, I basically got a defective stamp, a glow stick, and some tin foil. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe down below. You know what it is. Comment what was your favorite piece I picked up, the little tin jacket, the fucked up stamp, or the glow stick. Just let me know. Click them gleam links down below to enter the giveaway, and that pretty much does it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.